In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a US Bank online banking account. Whether you're looking to manage your finances more conveniently or set up online access to fit your busy lifestyle, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and effortlessly. To kick things off, you'll first need to open the US Bank mobile app or go to usbank.com using your preferred web browser. Finding the option to start your enrollment is quite simple. Just look for the link or button that says Enroll or Sign Up under the Login section. This will lead you to the first crucial step in creating your online banking experience. Once you click or tap the Enroll button, you'll be prompted to select the type of banking you wish to set up. Here, you'll see options such as personal banking or business banking. For the majority of users, choosing personal banking is the way to go, unless, of course, you're handling business accounts, in which case you'll select business. Choosing the accurate banking category ensures that the features available cater to your specific needs. The next stage requires some important account details. You'll need to input your existing US Bank account information. The system will ask for identifiers like your checking or savings account number, also including options for debit card or loan account numbers if those apply to you. Accurate entry of this information is critical as it ties your existing accounts to your new online profile. The following step is all about verification. You'll need to provide your social security number or tax ID along with your date of birth. Providing this personal information securely confirms your identity and ensures that you are the rightful account holder. Moving forward, let's create your username and password. It's advisable to think of a username that's easy for you to remember but isn't too obvious to others. For your password, aim for something strong, avoiding easily guessed information like birthdays or common words. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters combined with numbers and symbols is ideal for security. After setting your login credentials, you'll establish your security questions. These will serve as an additional layer of security, so choose questions and answers that are memorable yet secure. Once you've set these up, you'll have the opportunity to review the terms and conditions. Be sure to read over them carefully, and when you're ready, tap Continue or Accept to proceed further. Next, US Bank requires verification of your email or phone number. To do this, the bank will send a one-time security code to the contact information you provided, ensuring that you have reliable control of the contact method. Enter the received code into the prompted field to finalize this step of the setup, and voila! Upon verification, you're all set. You can now access your US Bank online account freely. With your new access, enjoy the convenience of checking balances, paying bills, and transferring funds at your fingertips.